Arrive in style with this 2013 Lexus RX 350 Navigation. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are intermittent rear windshield wiper, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, roll sensor, HDD navigation, passenger airbag sensor, backup monitor, automatic dual-zone climate control, power back door, and leather upholstery. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.